I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you find yourself facing a billing dispute with Uber, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Uber website and sign in using no credentials. This will give you access to your trip history and billing details. Step 2. Access trip history. Once logged in, navigate to your trip history. This section will show all your rides and any charges associated with them. Step 3. Identify the disputed charge. Look through your trip history to find the charge you want to dispute. Click on the specific trip to see the detailed breakdown of charges. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Submit and follow up. After submitting your dispute, keep an eye on your email for updates from Uber regarding your case. You may need to respond to additional questions. It's important to check your spam folder for any responses from Uber, as sometimes they can end up there. Good luck with your dispute, and I hope you get it resolved quickly.